This video is for educational purposes only and is not intended to replace professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Most people eat breakfast for taste or convenience, but the right breakfast can influence inflammation, brain health, energy, and even healthy aging over time. Welcome back to the Mindhunters. Today, we're making a simple anti-inflammatory breakfast bowl for healthy aging using science-backed ingredients. This is not about trendy superfoods or miracle claims. This is about combining nutrients strategically so they work together inside the body. So, let's begin with the foundation of this bowl. The first ingredient is soaked chia seeds. Chia seeds are extremely rich in omega-3 fatty acids, especially ALA, which has been associated with reduced inflammation and better cardiovascular health. They also contain soluble fiber that supports gut bacteria, and that matters because chronic inflammation often begins in the gut. But here's something very important. Chia seeds should always be soaked before consumption. For this bowl, use 1 tablespoon of chia seeds soaked in at least half a cup of water or unsweetened milk for around 30 minutes. Overnight soaking works even better. Now let's add the second ingredient. Ground flax seeds. Flax seeds are one of the richest dietary sources of lignans and plant omega-3s. Multiple studies have linked flaxseed consumption with improvements in inflammatory markers, cholesterol levels, and metabolic health. But most people make one major mistake. They eat whole flax seeds. Whole flax seeds often pass through the digestive system without being fully broken down, meaning the body may not absorb many of the nutrients properly. So for this recipe, use 1 tablespoon of freshly ground flax seeds. Grinding them right before consumption helps preserve delicate fats. Together, chia and flax create a powerful fiber and omega-3 combination that supports gut health, heart health, and healthy aging. Now we move to one of the most underrated anti-inflammatory foods in nutrition science: walnuts. Walnuts contain polyphenols, vitamin E, magnesium, and omega-3 fatty acids that have been studied for brain health and inflammation reduction. Walnuts may help protect against some of that damage because of their antioxidant profile. For this bowl, add about 4 to 6 walnut halves. You can lightly crush them for a better texture. Next comes almonds. Almonds provide vitamin E, magnesium, and healthy fats that support vascular health and reduce oxidative stress. Use around 6 to 8 soaked almonds. Soaking almonds overnight may improve texture and digestibility for some people, especially older adults. Now here's where this breakfast bowl becomes especially powerful. Berries. Blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are among the highest antioxidant fruits studied in nutritional science. Their deep colors come from compounds called anthocyanins, which have been linked with lower oxidative stress and better brain aging. In many long-term dietary studies, higher berry intake has been associated with healthier cognitive aging and better vascular function. For this bowl, use about half to 1 cup of mixed berries. Fresh berries are excellent, but frozen berries also work very well because they retain many nutrients when frozen properly. Blueberries are especially valuable because they have been studied extensively for brain health and inflammation. Now let's add another important layer: unsweetened yogurt or kefir. This provides protein and beneficial bacteria that support the gut microbiome. Remember, chronic inflammation and gut health are deeply connected. A healthier gut environment may influence immune regulation, digestion, and even mood and cognition. If you tolerate dairy well, use about 3/4 to 1 cup of plain, unsweetened yogurt or kefir. If dairy does not suit you, you can use unsweetened plant-based yogurt with minimal additives and sugar. Now comes one of the most scientifically interesting additions: cinnamon. Just half a teaspoon of cinnamon may help improve flavor, while also supporting blood sugar regulation and antioxidant activity. Using Ceylon cinnamon is generally considered a better long-term option. Next, we add turmeric. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound extensively studied for its anti-inflammatory properties. But here's something many people miss. Curcumin absorption is naturally poor, so to improve absorption, add a tiny pinch of black pepper. Black pepper contains piperine, which significantly enhances curcumin bioavailability. You only need about 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric and a small pinch of black pepper. Now let's talk about the liquid base. You can use plain yogurt, kefir, unsweetened almond milk, or unsweetened oat milk depending on your preference and tolerance. Avoid heavily sweetened flavored products because excessive added sugar can counter many anti-inflammatory benefits. And this is important. You do not need to overload this bowl with dozens of ingredients. You can find the full recipe and ingredient list in the comments below. Now, there are still important precautions. People taking blood thinners should speak with a healthcare professional before consuming. People with nut allergies should obviously avoid nuts entirely, and if you have digestive sensitivity, start slowly. Suddenly adding large amounts of fiber can cause bloating or discomfort in some people. Gradually increasing intake while drinking adequate water is usually a better approach. So, if you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the Mindhunters for more science-based videos on nutrition and wellness, and let us know in the comments what foods you'd like us to cover next. Thanks for watching. We wish you good health.